On some of the stocks and news as well, and Navneet joins in to give us a heads up on all the stocks that you should be tracking for the day ahead. Navneet.
Hi Megha, Bharti Airtel will be in focus. Well, the company had bid for licenses in Myanmar, but it has lost the bid to Telenor, which is a Norway-based company, and also to a Qatar-based company. So keep an eye on that counter. Well, the stock off late has been under pressure. Even if you look at the YTD returns for Bharti Airtel, that stock is down by about 11%. Moving on to DLF and Dewan Housing, which will be in focus today. Economic Times paper has reported that Dewan Housing is in talks to buy DLF's stake in its life insurance venture, which is a joint venture between DLF and a US-based company called Prudential Financial. Well, the negotiations are on, and Dewan Housing is looking to acquire majority stake in that joint venture, and reports also indicate that DLF may exit its joint venture at just a marginal premium, and Prudential Financial is being advised by Goldman Sachs. Remember, earlier DLF and Prudential Financial were in talks with HCL Group for the same thing, but that deal didn't kick off. And also you have MTech Auto and JMT Auto. Both these companies are listed. Well, yesterday post market hours, the announcement came in that MTech Auto will be acquiring about 51.27% stake in JMT Auto for about 110 crore. Remember, this deal will trigger an open offer of about 26%. So keep an eye on both these counters as well. And moving on to Indian hotels, well, Home Ministry has said that the Tata Group will not be allowed the first right of refusal in the auction of Taj Mansingh Hotel located in Delhi.